so stylish. Welcome to Naval Arcade Fashion Academy. In today's class, we'll be learning how to sew this gorgeous bubu built-up neckline. If this is what you want to learn, stay till the end for full understanding. These are the fabric we'll be needing for the making of this gorgeous bubu built-up neckline. Our damask fabric, then our Duchess fabric for the combination, our pattern paper, ruler, scissors, marker, and our measuring tape. Let's get started. You know we have two types of built-up neckline. I will be using one of the built-up neckline. Hope we are seeing what we are doing. I'll first of all come down by 2.5 inches. 2.5 inches. Hope we are seeing the line. Then from there, I will take our neckline, which is 3 inches by 3 inches. Then I'll take our shoulder measurement, which is 8 inches. Then you bring it down 8 inches. I've already gone ahead to draw the line. Then we connect our neckline. And draw the line. So from our shoulder, we will come down to get our neckline. We will come down by 6 inches. The build-up we are using here is 2 inches. Then from here we take it up, connect it to the 2 inches. Connect it to the 2 inches. Then from here, we connect it to our shoulder line. Then from this place, we connect it to our neckline. Then from this point, this 6 inches we came down. Let's mark it 6 inches. 6 inches. Then from there we mark the wideness of the front. We are using 4 inches or 5 inches as the wideness. 4.5. I think 4.5 will be suitable. Then you mark it down. 4.5 will be suitable. You mark it down. So this is what you will use. This is what you will use to cut the main fabric. Then from there, then you also measure this where you want it to get to here. Six inches. Then you connect it. So this is it. So this is what we needed for it. Reduce it. This is 5.5. And still connect it to your 5.5 so that the difference will not be too much from the down. Then you can make this place as wide as 5 inches. Then we'll go ahead and cut it out. Then we'll draft our back. So this is how it looks for the front. This is the front. Then we'll go ahead and cut the back. So what we need is just to get that built-up neckline for the back and place it on it. Since it's a bubu, we don't need sleeve, we don't need anything. So I'll go ahead and come down with that 2 inches. 2 inches. Then I will roll it. Then from there, we take our neckline, which is 3 inches. Then we bring it down. There's no zipper allowance, it's a bubu. Use your front so that you have the same shape. So that you have the same shape. So this is it. Then the shoulder we are using is 8 inches. We'll mark it down. Then we connect. So this is what we use to cut. Then from our back neckline, we'll come down by ½ inch or 3/4 inch. If we don't want it to be too high, come down by ½ inch. Then you cut it out. So this is all for the drafting. We'll now go ahead and cut it out on the fabric. So this is it. Okay, I've gone ahead to cut the middle part of the front. So what I measure here is 6.5 inches. 6.5. I'm using 5.5 as the center front, so that it will just be a straight line. This one is already 5.5. It's already 5.5, as you can see. So I will extend this one to be 5.5. Then I have ½ inch to sew it, which is 6 inches. The remaining 5.5 inch, I left it in case the fabric strings, because damask strings very well. Damask fabric strings very well. So I will place my pattern paper now and use it to cut it. So we add our seam allowance to it, which is ½ inch. I went ahead to cut the lining too. This is the lining for the center front. I'll be slitting it to join it at the middle, because it has a center line too. To join it at the middle, I will do the same thing to the lining too. So let's cut it. So the only place we need to cut now is from this place and here. That's where we need to. The remaining ½ inch is for the sewing of the center, the joining of the center front. So we are going to add ½ inch round to give us what we want. You can see I've extended, I shifted it to give us that ½ inch that we require. Then we add our ½ inch and cut. I'll do the same thing to the lining. So this is our center front. What we are using here is 5.5, and this is our side back. We are adding this one to the side to give us the design that we have in the bubu. So what we needed here is 5.5. 5.5 plus 5.5 will give us 11 inches. So 11 inches, we need length 19. So we add our shoulder to 19 to give us 27. So this is to give us 20. Plus 19 plus 27. So we need ½ inch to sew this side. I'm going to slit this side. So we need ½ inch. ½ inch to sew this side and ½ inch to sew this other side. Then when you use it to end this one, fold the edge of this particular one. So for the edge of this particular one, so that we are having 2 inches extra. 1 inch to sew this, and 1 inch to fold this side like this. Fold it. So that we are having 29 inches. So go ahead and cut this excess away. So this is it. This is it. This will be at this side. We join this to this side, then we join this one to this one. That's all for the front. Then we'll come to the back. It is only that 5.5 inches, and I'm going to add to it. That's this. We add it to the side of the back too. That's this. We will add it to the side of the back. This one, it does not have center back, so we don't need to attach anything to it. So we'll take our measurement now. As you can see, we have 29 here. 1 inch to sew here, 1 inch to fold this part. So we have 29, as you can see, 29 inches. That's it. So I'm not go ahead and cut this. It's not for us to cut our back here. So this is for the attaching of the side back. So we'll now bring our back pattern and place it on it. Then we'll cut it out, adding our 1/2 inch seam allowance to it. Adding our 1/2 inch seam allowance. This is it. So I will go ahead and join this to this part. I will join it to it. One side is double. I cut double of it. As you can see, double of it. I will join one to this part and join the other one to that part. Then I will go ahead and connect my shoulder, the front and back shoulder together. Then when I'm through, I'll let you know. We need to cut facing for the neck to turn the back neckline. So that's what I'm just doing. So that's it. I will not go ahead. I will go ahead and turn the back out, iron it. When I'm through, I will show you exactly what I've done. Okay, I've gone ahead to join the center front. As you can see, this is the center front and I ironed it open. This is the fashion fabric and this is the lining. This is our neckline, built up neckline. So then the down, I went ahead to slit it. I used 22 inches as the slit measurement. As you can see, 22 inches. That is what I use as the slit measurement. Yes, to put the slit in. Then the total length of this gown is 60. I will use another fabric, the lining fabric, to turn it at the hem line. So that's it for the center front. Then I've gone ahead to join the sides to the front and the back. This one is for the front. This one is for the front, as you can see. For the front, this is the back. I've gone ahead to sedge it and iron it out. So this is for the front. This is how it's going to look. Then this is for the back too. This is how the back is. This is how the back is, as you can see. Then this is the neckline. This is the neckline. I've gone ahead to turn it out, the neckline. Turn it out with the lining. Then I want to join the front, the center front now. I will join the center front. By placing it like this. Placing it like this, I will join it, sew it with 1/2 inch. I will notch it at this part, sew it with 1/2 inch, sew it up to this place with 1/2 inch. I'll sew it down, sew it down. Then the slit too, I will still use the lining to turn it. I will sew it with 1/2 inch too. When I'm through, I will let you know. I will turn it and iron it out. I'm going to join the center front to the center back. Then I sedge it. As you can see, I'll sedge it. So that's it. This is the side. This is the other side. Then I'll turn it to the front now. So this is the front. This is the center front slit. Hope you can see it. The center front slit to it. The lining, you have to sew it on it. Before joining, you will sew it alongside with the side front. Yes, you don't sew it fabric to fabric, you sew it with the side front. Then we'll now bring our back. Place it like this. Hope we are seeing it. We'll use this lining to turn it. this way, turn it this way. Make sure they align the front, the back, and the lining. Are you seeing what I'm doing? The front, the back, and the lining. Make sure it aligns. Then use your pin to pin it down. Use your pin to pin it down. Then you pin it all through. Go ahead now and measure where we want to put 18 inches. Now I'll come up there. I'm making it 17 inches. Yeah. I'm marking 17 inches. 17 inches. Hope you are seeing it. 17 inches. Then from there, from this middle point, we are going to mark half of our waist, which is 8 inches, 32 inches. Or let me use 30 inches. So this is it. Then we come here to mark 8 inches. 7.5 inches on it. So go ahead now and pin it on it from that 17 inches up. Pin it up. Then I'll go and sew it with half inch. So it will still fall on our 32 inches. Let me go ahead. Then after joining this part and this part, I will go ahead and serge it. Then from there, I will come to the down and use this fabric to turn it, to turn the hemline. I'll place it like this. This one here, I will fold the fabric this way, fold it this way, place it like this, and use it to sew it down. You can see it. Use it to sew it down. I'll do it to the back too. Then when I'm through, I'll show you exactly what I've done. Yeah, I've gone ahead to join it to the front, to the side front. As you can see, I joined the lining alongside with it. I sewed the lining alongside with it. I use the back lining. I use the back lining to turn the front. I sewed this. Then I use the back lining to turn it out. Hope I explain it. To turn it out. That's exactly what I did here. That's exactly what I did here. As you can see, this is it. Then I went ahead to sew the belt. The belt on it. This is it. I sewed the belt on it. And fold the hem too. I went ahead to fold the hem. To fold the hem. As you can see, I folded it. So now I've joined everything about it. While the down, I folded it. I cut 3 inches of this. I folded it. I sewed it with 1/2 inch, remaining 2.5. Then I folded it in with 1/2 inch, remaining 2 inches. So from here to here is 2 inches. So that's it. As you can see, it's 2 inches. So from here to here is 2 inches. I use it to fold it. Then this center front. After folding it, there was a hole here. So I use web bond or any gum to seal it up. After sealing it up, I will use hands to tack it so that it will not pull off after washing. So I use any gum to tack it. That's why there is no hole on it any longer. So we can now turn to the front now. This is the slit at the center front. This is the built-up neckline, as you can see. Then this is our neck depth. As you can see, go ahead and iron this place very well to relax. Then, so what we need to do now is to take our measurement. The waist we are using is 19 inches. Just mark it a little. 19 inches. The bust point we are using is 28 inches. Inches, 19 inches, and 28 inches. I mark it down. So just roll it to this way so that we can take our measurement. The white is not showing on it, that's why I want to take white stock. Measure it too. Very good to confirm the measurement. Always confirm measurement. If not, you think the first one you did is correct, not knowing that it's not correct. Now from this center line, we'll start taking our measurement. The way the bust we are using is 42. So I'll make it 45. 45 divided by 4 will give us 11 1/4. Our center line. Then with this way too, we measure the same 11 1/4. Then we come to our waist. Since the bust is 42, 45, the depth will give it a shape. So we are still using the same 11 1/4 as 45 inches. The hip we are using is 45. So we'll just make that one 46, which is 11 1/2. 11 1/2. Then from there we'll just connect the lines. at the hip and the waist side when she uses the belt. As 11 and a half, 11 and half, through, connect it to the hip line. White chalk is not showing very well. Eleven and a half. Then I'll connect it. So this is it. Then I will now go ahead and pin it. So I've gone ahead to pin it down, as you can see, along the line. I'm going to sew it. So the needle is the direction for me to see it very well, because this chalk is not actually showing very well. Then when I'm through sewing it, I will come back to show you. So this is the outcome of our bubu built-up neckline. As you can see, this is the outcome. I'm going ahead to sew it. This is the sewing down. This is the sewing down, and these are the side. So these are the side. Where is the center front slit? As you can see, it's stopped here. I went ahead to sew it all the way to down, all the way to down. So this is the final. I will show you on the picture, on the video, where you finally see the finished work on the mannequin. I'll not be able to video it on the client's body, but you can see it on the mannequin. So this is it. I went ahead to sew it. I sewed it here. To open it, you see that opened. So this is the side. Did the same thing. This is the slit. And this is it. You can see it has been sewn to the end. So that's the end of our tutorial. Thank you for watching to the end. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, share, comment to your family and friends, to those that you know needs this video. Thank you for stopping by. For our old subscribers, thank you for still being with us. Then for our incoming subscribers, you are welcome. Thank you very much.